wrong. So I was coming with puffiness and dark
Hmm.
circles. So dark circles is when we age. दो reasons होते हैं dark circles के
Hmm.
primarily. So when we age, हमारी skin जो होती है ये सबसे delicate skin होती है around our eye contour area. So what happens
Hmm.
is as we age, this area becomes very thin. हमारी
Hmm.
स्किन भी शेड होती है. So it's like the
Hmm.
largest breathing organ in our body. And our skin
Hmm.
sheds, and our skin also becomes thin with time. So with time, this
Hmm.
delicate area becomes even more delicate. So
Delicate.
that's why they say use peptides, use
Hmm.
ceramides, use oils
Hmm.
to massage your skin around this delicate area because in olive oil you have squalene. Then use
Hmm.
ingredients like
Hmm.
niacinamide, which is extremely
Hmm.
soothing, extremely healing. Use ingredients
Hmm.
like caffeine. I'm jumping into the main topic because अब हमारे पास
Hmm.
इतना time नहीं है कि dark circles क्या होते हैं, puffiness क्या होती है, because we wasted a lot of time. So let's get to the right to the point. Why and what do we need to do, right? SOS.
Hmm.
So what we need
Hmm.
to do is we need to buy products in the market which are specifically catering to eye needs, which means हमें
Hmm.
eye creams खरीदनी चाहिए. हम regular
Hmm.
moisturizer आंखों पे ना लगाएं तो बेहतर है. Now you'll ask me
Um,
why. That's because this area
exactly.
is extremely delicate. And because this area is
Hmm.
extremely delicate, हमारे
Hmm.
कुछ ऐसे एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं मॉइस्चराइजर्स में जो जलन
Hmm.
देंगे, इरिटेशन देंगे. They'll give
Hmm.
us irritation around this area. And what happens is in trying to solve one problem, आपको दूसरी problem शुरू हो जाएगी, which is rubbing the eyes, feeling very
Hmm.
sensitized to the product, to the
Hmm.
moisturizer. So it's best
Hmm.
to buy an eye cream in the market. Now,
Hmm.
how to
Hmm.
use the right eye cream?
Hmm.
Definitely buy an eye cream that is a bit more कॉस्टली आई वुड से. मतलब आप 200
Hmm.
रुपए की 100 रुपए की आई क्रीम ना खरीदें. उससे बेहतर है कि
Hmm.
आप ऑयल मसाज कर लें. मगर अगर आई
Hmm.
क्रीम खरीदनी है then do not compromise on the price, right? So
Hmm.
the eye
Hmm.
cream needs to have a few ingredients that you must read, and this is what I
Hmm.
do, like even in my classes and in my workshops.
Hmm.
The main purpose of teaching skincare is to create that awareness of ingredients. एंड पीपल आर
Hmm.
नॉट वेरी माइंडफुल कि हमने कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स लगाने हैं और कौन से अवॉइड
Hmm.
करने हैं. मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स
Hmm.
आई क्रीम के होते हैं कैफीन, जो कि आपको
Hmm.
आई क्रीम के बॉक्स पे लेबल पे नजर आएगी. फॉर इंस्टेंस इफ
Hmm.
यू हैव एन आई क्रीम, फॉर
Hmm.
इंस्टेंस आई हैव एन आई क्रीम, इसके बैक साइड पे भी आपको इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिखे हुए नजर आएंगे. और अगर इस पे नहीं
Hmm.
नजर आएंगे देन यू कैन ऑलवेज कंसल्ट विद बॉक्स.
Hmm.
So caffeine is
Hmm.
one ingredient that you should be looking for.
Hmm.
Then there is glycerine. So caffeine will
Hmm.
actually improve and help the blood circulation. Glycerine
Hmm.
is going to hydrate and lock the moisture in. Sodium
Hmm.
hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic
Sorry to
acid.
cut you,
Hyaluronic
Nabiha.
acid is very important. Ji.
Nabiha, can we use the glycerine that's available in the shops in its raw form, or do we need to
Yes.
have it in a cream?
No, you can totally use glycerine in its raw form, but I would definitely
Hmm.
recommend to mix it with a little bit of rose water or a little
Okay.
bit of olive oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil is a
Okay.
very fatty oil. So make sure जिनको
Hmm.
acne है वो अपनी skin पे बहुत fatty oils ना लगाएं. Coconut
जी,
oil,
Nabiha,
olive oil,
sorry.
both.
You know what? I used to apply oil under my eyes, almond oil, and sometimes olive oil. I started. So what used to happen was that I started getting these really small pinkish colored cysts around my eyes, just near my
Yes,
eyelid.
yes.
What could be the reason for that?
Right, I hear you. And I think you were getting those cysts around your eyes because you were using too much. So now you have to
Hmm.
be very mindful of how much you're using. For instance, if
Hmm.
I'm using an eye cream, first of all,
Hmm.
आपको ये भी इस चीज का भी ख्याल करना चाहिए आई केयर के अंदर कि आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज्यादा ना हो और आप कौन सी फिंगर से
Hmm.
लगा रहे हैं. So basically, the
Hmm.
pressure in your finger has to be very less. और आपकी सबसे कम प्रेशर वाली फिंगर होती है जिसको हम कहते हैं आपकी रिंग फिंगर. So the
Hmm.
ring finger is the one that has the least pressure,
Hmm.
and which
Hmm.
is this one. जिसमें आप अपनी wedding ring
Hmm.
पहनते हैं. So
Hmm.
this is how much you take
Hmm.
Can you see?
Okay. It's less than
ठीक
a
है?
pea size.
Yes, less, much lesser than a pea. ठीक है? And what you do is
Hmm.
you warm it up first. हमेशा eye cream लगाने
Hmm.
का तरीका होता है कि आप उसको पहले warm up करते हैं. So you warm up the eye cream
Hmm.
and you bring from outside to inside and you never rub it. Eye cream लगाने के लिए
Hmm.
आपको rub नहीं करना पड़ता. Eye cream लगाने
Hmm.
के लिए you just have to dab it very
Got it.
gently. Yeah, and बाहर से
Hmm.
अंदर you bring it from outwards to inwards, dabbing,
Hmm.
and then from inwards to outwards. Ideally, you need to put it from inwards to outwards because you don't want to go against the gravity. You don't want to take it
Okay.
in the opposite direction because this is the area where you get your crow's feet. Crow's feet होते हैं
Hmm.
deep lines, deep set of
Hmm.
wrinkles. So you want to
Hmm.
build them in. So what I do is you can go like this and you can also like open it up and then you can sort of slowly dab and press the product in. Then you can open it up
Hmm.
and then you can
Hmm.
slowly dab and press the product in. But you don't have to do that every day. Every day you can just do this 3 times.
Hmm.
1,
Hmm.
2, 3. ठीक है? नीचे से
Hmm.
side पे.
Hmm.
But when you go up, you can go massaging like this. So this is for drainage. You know, we have these fluids in our skin, जिसको
Hmm.
कहते हैं
Hmm.
lymphatic drainage करना होता है. तो वो आप कोकोनट ऑयल लगा के मसाज करके रात को सोने
Hmm.
से पहले you can do it on your 2 fingers and then you can just massage for the drainage. These
Hmm.
fluids also tend to make you very puffy. Do not rub for drainage. You take a little bit of oil और आप
Hmm.
उसको ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे ऐसे. You're
Hmm.
just going to press it a little bit like this
Hmm.
and you're going to feel a little
Hmm.
bit of puffiness. Do this about 10,
Hmm.
15 times. Then bring it all
Hmm.
the way down,
Hmm.
actually all the way down to here and then you rub it for like 1 minute. Because जब आप
Hmm.
ड्रेन करते हैं लिक्विड्स तो फिर उनको नीचे भी लाना है और नीचे से ला के फिर ड्रेन आउट करना है. It's a full system.
Hmm.
The liquid needs to
Hmm.
come out,
Hmm.
down, and then massage and kind of
Hmm.
released. So
Okay.
massaging is also really helpful to take care of
Hmm.
your eye contour area. So number one,
Hmm.
massaging with oils.
Hmm.
It could be coconut
Hmm.
oil, it could be olive oil. Number two,
Hmm.
applying an eye cream daily, religiously at night
Hmm.
and in the day.
Hmm.
Another thing that you need to do while taking care of your eyes as we age, our sun exposure has been so much. By the time we
Hmm.
reach the age of 35, 40,
Hmm.
our eyes are very tired. Our skin is very tired
Hmm.
because of taking so much sun in. Sometimes we also
Hmm.
squint. ऐसे करते हैं
Hmm.
स्क्विंट सन को देख
Hmm.
के. अब आपके जितने फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस डीप होंगे उतनी ही आपकी
Hmm.
डीप लाइंस होंगी. So make
Hmm.
sure that your facial expressions are not deep.
Hmm.
Even when you smile, make a conscious effort to smile
Hmm.
like your eye wrinkles should not get very pressed in.
Hmm.
Because the
Hmm.
more
Not
you
like
smile
this.
with more expression, I'm not saying
Hmm.
don't smile, but you should have a certain specific way of
Hmm.
expressing your
Hmm.
expressions.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
एक ये है. अच्छा, उसके अलावा the thing is always moisturize this area. And
Hmm.
the reason why is this needs some extra care because this area does not
Hmm.
have
It's
oil
not there.
glands. So there is no oil glands
Okay.
in this area.
That's why
And
we
when
don't
there
have
is no oil
acne.
glands, there's no moisture
Hmm.
in this area.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So that's what it is. You need to really be very mindful that this
Hmm.
area needs to be hydrated and kept very
Hmm.
moisturized with specifically an eye cream that has
Hmm.
caffeine, that has glycerine, that has
Hmm.
niacinamide, that has peptides, ceramides. These
Hmm.
are all the ingredients that you should be looking for.
Hmm.
Licorice extract, green tea extracts. अगर कुछ भी नहीं है तो
Hmm.
आप ग्रीन टी के जो टी बैग्स होते हैं उनको गीला करके आप उसके बाद
Hmm.
फ्रिज में रखते हैं 5 मिनट के लिए, एंड देन यू
Hmm.
निचोड़ के उनको, you just drain out the water, and then you
Hmm.
just place 2 green tea bags. They're going to soothe and they're going to depuff your eyes and also take care of the darkness around this area. And
Hmm.
eye cream helps also skin growth factor. That is very
Okay.
helpful. And eye
Hmm.
cream um, also helps with your skin growth factor. आपकी जब skin
Hmm.
बहुत पतली होनी शुरू हो जाती है, then an eye cream comes
Hmm.
in very handy in giving volume to your skin. For instance,
Okay.
hyaluronic acid, for instance, glycerine, for instance, even petroleum jelly कुछ लोग
Hmm.
लगा लेते हैं. But sometimes I feel because it's a mineral oil, sometimes I
Hmm.
feel that petroleum jelly can be a little heavy on the skin, but
Hmm.
it's an amazing humectant,
Hmm.
which means it
Hmm.
holds and it locks the moisture in your eye contour area really well. So आप petroleum
Hmm.
jelly लगा लें, आप olive oil का मसाज कर लें, आप coconut oil से मसाज कर लें, and
Hmm.
just keep it hydrated. You need to
Hmm.
maintain your skin barrier. You don't want to
Hmm.
expose it to too much sun. Use
Hmm.
a moisturizer with SPF in
Hmm.
the daytime. I always
Hmm.
सजेस्ट एंड रेकमेंड कि
Hmm.
SPF जरूर लगाया करें. ये तो मैं सबको
Hmm.
रेकमेंड करती हूँ. In one of our sessions I will be
Hmm.
talking about this because it's a very important thing for us.
Hmm.
सन प्रोटेक्शन फैक्टर, जिसको हम सन ब्लॉक भी कहते हैं, जिसको हम सनस्क्रीन भी कहते हैं, और जो आपको मॉइस्चराइजर्स में भी मिलती है. एंड बाय द वे आजकल तो फाउंडेशंस भी इतनी अच्छी हैं कि उनमें भी मिलती है.
Hmm.
एंड एक्चुअली इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि सिर्फ औरतें
Hmm.
नहीं, इवन आदमियों को सन प्रोटेक्शन फैक्टर लगाना चाहिए,
Hmm.
बिकॉज उनकी
Hmm.
भी स्किन ह्यूमन स्किन है. उनकी भी आई कॉन्टूर एरिया उतना ही अफेक्ट होता है जितना कि औरतों का होता है.
Hmm. Navneha, somebody is asking a question. I can't see
So,
the name. Are under eye fillers a good option?
sorry, what is a
Are
good option?
under eye fillers, जो fillers करवा लेते हैं ना आप injections
Yeah,
के through?
yeah. Um, देखिए, I don't want to say it's not a good option. I don't want to say it's a bad option. I'm only going to say something from my own experience. I have tons and tons of friends who are in the industry, who are, into makeup artistry, they're dermatologists themselves, they're skincare experts, and they are getting it done. But then there is another side of the population who says that we don't want to get it done because once you get it done, then you get used to it. So if you
That's
want
true.
to ask me a personal question, do I get it
Hmm.
done? I don't.
Hmm.
I don't get it done. And I believe everyday daily maintenance is the key to
Hmm.
good skin. I mean,
Hmm.
talk about the people, our parents ki age ke, our
Hmm.
mothers. They don't
Hmm.
look as if they have any fillers on. And if you
Hmm.
notice, unki lines itni deep nahi thi. Because I remember my
Hmm.
mother was not a single day in her life, never
Hmm.
used a moisturizer. वो लोग तो
Hmm.
मॉइस्चराइजर ही पूरे फेस पे लगा लिया करते थे, I
Hmm.
mean, I remember my mother
Yeah.
used to use Lancome and she used to use
Hmm.
Olay. Also, she used to use Pond's.
Hmm.
You can use anything, just keep it hydrated. Fillers का ये है कि
Hmm.
if you want to get them done, you should start very little and then
Hmm.
build it. Don't jump and make a very hasty
Hmm.
jalbaz decision mat करें, because
Hmm.
once you do it, then there is no reversal. I mean, of course, it kind of dies down after a few months,
Hmm.
but then you would want to keep on doing it.
Hmm.
So you
And
have
then
to see
people
your
tend to
facial
overdo it
expressions
also.
and see how much it
Hmm.
suits you.
Hmm.
How much it
Hmm.
suits you. Like there's a filler up to like 100% strength, for instance. You don't want to
Hmm.
go up to the full strength.
Hmm.
Sometimes people want to do it because they are in a rush to completely,
Hmm.
reform the look of their skin. But
Hmm.
hasty decisions are not to be meant to be made in skincare. Less is
Hmm.
more. That is what
Hmm.
I teach and I preach. Even on my
Hmm.
page, I'm always talking about less is
Hmm.
more. So, by the way,
Hmm.
people should follow my page. I will be posting some stuff on it.
Hmm. Yes.
Abhi to I've been very lazy. It's Nabiha Bukhari Zishan.
No, I keep watching your page, Nabiha, and it has such helpful tips and some things. Although, I really like to read up and watch videos on skincare, लेकिन कुछ चीजें ऐसी नई पढ़ने को मिलती हैं, like horse tail की products या something like that. They're really new and innovative, so it's very interesting. Can you hear me, or are you still freezing? Nabiha? I
Hi.
think it's a bad
Yeah.
thing. Yeah. Can you hear?
So, and I also have a page on Instagram. Again, I've not been very
Mhm.
active, but it's always, never too late to start doing these things.
Of course.
Teaching me so busy
Mhm.
on
Mhm.
the trends. Because so many people you want to help. There's so many customers who call me, message me. So then you
Mhm.
have to
Mhm.
and for the sessions that you did. And I hope it can help people. Can you hear me?
No, you were breaking.
Can you hear me now?
It's still breaking.
Shall I just say bye? I hope it was helpful.
Huh?
Hope it was helpful.
I think
That's it.
today we had quite a few helpful questions answered. So do post any other topics you would like us to cover in the following sessions. And no, I think Nabiha might not be able to make it today now. So with this, I think I'd like to end here, and we can discuss more issues with Nabiha in our next session. And I'd like to say that no, we are all like lipstick sometimes, I feel. Different colors, different shapes, different forms, but all beautiful in our own way, despite dark circles. And we are all facing different concerns with hair loss, and someone is suffering from acne, dark circles. There is one issue or the other plaguing us all the time. So I think we should first of all learn to love ourselves, accept ourselves, and be confident in ourselves. That is the best makeup. So
Correct.
uh,
And then
I think Nabiha is emerging. So, anyway, do keep us posted on the topics you'd like to be discussed in the future. And I think we'll end this here. Have a great day and a great rest of the week. Bye bye.
bye.